In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Social Pay, which is a payment processor that works in Trinidad and Tobago and, according to their website, worldwide. So I could only speak on it working in Trinidad and Tobago because that's where I'm from, and so about the whole worldwide part, that is left to be determined. However, I have seen the back end and they do have processing for USD, which would be the international part, and TTD, which will be the local part. Now, if you're not familiar about what a payment processor is, it's technically just a piece of software that you use to enable you to accept payments online. Kind of like when you shop on Amazon, you input your credit card details, Amazon gets the money, and then how much ever weeks later you get a package, right? Basically the same thing, except you as the business owner would be operating kind of like Amazon, accepting payments through your website and delivering a product or service to your clients and customers. So signing up for Social Pay is a pretty straightforward. You just go to their website, you can click on their pricing tab and click the Get Started button on the top right hand corner of the screen. From there, you'll be taken to a page to input your information in order to create an account with Social Pay. So it's basic information like your name, number, email address, password, and then you click register at the bottom of the page. Then you will be taken to another page for further information about your business. So this would be like the type of business that you have, the business name, the business address, if you have a business website, the nature of the business, how you plan to use the payment processor, which is Social Pay, and your estimated revenue. And once you submit this information, you will then be contacted either via phone or email or both when your application is approved. So this process takes about 1 to 2 months. That's approximately how long it took for me when I applied in January. I believe in March, somewhere about is when I got through, right? And it's that simple. So if you realize you didn't really have to put in a lot of extra information, which is usually needed in the case of having a payment processor, like for example your banking information is definitely something that would be required. However, that is done in the setup phase. So I actually go through how to set up your Social Pay account once you get approved in this video right here. However, if it is you think you don't need any hand holding and you want to go straight on into, well, how do I integrate Social Pay into a WordPress website, you can check out this video in which I do exactly that. See you over there.